Good day, everyone. Today, I would like to present the paper working with my student. This is part of the bachelor degree when they finish the information department, School of Information System in Bina Nusantara University. The students are Hartarto, Riandi Juan Albert Joshua, Hussein, and Aikelius Gareta. So they are at the third year for finishing the bachelor degree. So in this project, they try to make technology for disabled with smartphone apps for blind people. So in this case, they try to make something that become more benefit for the people, our friends that have problem with the sight. So in nowadays, the technology is developing rapidly. The middle class has experienced technology such as smartphones. But unfortunately, there are still many applications that are not friendly for people with disabilities. The close example is in Indonesia, where the people with disabilities still receive less attention. All development support facilities do not pay attention to the comfort aspect for disabled users. So this paper tried to present 5 features to help users, especially those who have blindness. These features are chat to speak, chat using voice, motion detect for emergency needs, detect object, voice to search engine, and weather information. In addition, a use case diagram was used to describe the application process and a class diagram to describe the database designs. Uh, Persons with disability who in daily conversation are referred to as people who are lacking disabled are often considered and ridiculed as unproductive second-class citizens, unable to carry out their duty and obligation so that their rights as human and citizens are neglected. Meanwhile, many technological advances have also been made in disabilities, both in software and hardware, especially for physical disability, individuals with visual or hearing impairment. However, seeing the condition of people with disability around us, it can be seen the application for people with disability are still needed to support all the problems faced by the person with disabilities. Therefore, an application that is suitable and support people with disabilities is still needed to help people with disabilities live in their lives better. Moreover, discriminatory treatment for children with disability can have a long-term and traumatic effect that can affect future employment opportunities and participation in civilian life, especially for persons with disability who have experience in since birth. Yeah. This will impact their social life, intelligent mentality, and self-confidence in society. Refer to data released by UNICEF and WHO. According to 2004 study, there are 19.3 million children under age of 14 have disabilities, and for those aged 18 years and over, the number exceeds 550 million. In general, people with disabilities are divided into 4 parts. Namely, the first is physical disability, such as movement disorder that cause they cannot walk, and the second is sensory disability, such as hearing or vision problem. The third is intellectual disability, such as memory loss, and the fourth is mental disability, such as phobia, depression, schizophrenia, or anxiety disorder. Five President of the Republic of Indonesia, Kiai Haji Maruf Amin, at the Inclusion Indonesia Dialogue through a video conference at the Vice President's official residence on Thursday, 14 January 2021, state that there were 209 209 10604 Indonesians with disability based on data compiled by the Ministry of Social Affairs through the Disability Management Information System, or 0.0007722492 of the total population of Indonesia. 2001 with 271 million 304,900 million 889 inhabitants. However, data on persons with disability in Indonesia is certainly different from one agency to another due to the scattered data. This paper will only be limited to blind people with disability whose data is also unclear. Considering that data on persons with disability are not integrated, blind people in Indonesia still do not get enough care from other people. For example, many children are hidden by their family because they cannot do much and are afraid of being hurt. Many public services for people with disability do not support standard and become a big problem. Many adolescents do not continue their education due to lack of support system because they are blind people. Blindness causes sufferers to experience cognitive, motor, emotional, and social problems. Disadvantage of sufferers can be reduced with the help of adults around them. Therefore, the role of our adults around them becomes critical. Older people are their trustworthy source of strength to live the rest of their lives. This problem will become significant if not addressed as soon as they determine their future. So, this paper will focus on one aspect of many disability, blindness, and discuss how to help the problem by using technology to help their life in the future. Understanding what persons with disability are, especially persons with disability who are blind, it is necessary to interact with them. From the interaction made, it can be seen whether disability can increase their mentality, IQ, and AQ. Seeing the problem faced by people with visual disability, an application was designed and built which aimed at helping persons with disability, especially blind people, carry out their daily activity so that they can do their work more comfortably or do activity that they were not possible before. Many mobile applications for people with disabilities such as Optacon, Braille Type, iPoly, and a fashion AI device, it could be an example that many developers are aware of this problem. Uh, Before we continue for the UI or the implementation for the application, we want to discuss about the use case here. If you look at this use case, we have 6 use case activity where there's a use case such as registration, yeah, active motion detect, active voice chat, weather information, active detect object, search engine voice command. So this proposed system is friendly used to blind user. So fulfill their need. It should not be simple yet the effective process in this smartphone application. As simple as it could be for process, it will be make the blind user understand the process more and no need much time to learning uses the application. The flow of this application made as simple as could be more for natural use here. So starting we go through login without using an ID or password because it will be an obstacle for a blind user. Next, it needs to access the proposed system using a phone camera as a procedure for its application to run. After that, there are so many features to which of the object. However, the limitation is that useful feature need to pay some amount of money could proceed by scanning the fingerprint for iOS. The process are based on this figure. So we have two figure here such as chat to speak menu and motion detection menu. Based on figure chat to speak menu, it can be seen that this application main page is simple so that user can use it easily. The first feature is that user could chat with a friend of theirs by speaking through a microphone, and when their friends reply, the application will make the chat could speak by detecting the word. Moreover, the figure as seen in motion detection menu, this page has feature to help the user when no one is around the user at home when the user suddenly collapses because of something wrong. It could be detected when the user is holding their phone and suddenly the user collapses and the phone drops to the floor. The gesture motion will detect and send an emergency signal to the other family and caretaker to take immediate action. If the signal is false, the user could check it 3 times. So the feature will help user decreases the chance of someone passing away and help to give much more services to people with special needs. So in the future, all the people who need special need and affection will feel cared for by someone even more. So all the people get what they deserve because at this moment many accidents get a late response from the caretaker and give a high risk of someone passing away. It must be able to minimize all the bad possible for someone. This feature can also be used by people who are not disabled to help them get treatment as soon as possible. The emergency signal sent will go directly to an agency emergency handling server without another intermediary, so it does not take much time. Moreover, the sending of the signal is very strong so that it is not disturbed by signal problem to respond to emergency. And the next we have detect object menu, voice to search engine menu, and weather information. And based on the detect object menu, the sensor implanted in the phone and camera could detect objects around the user. This can be done because it makes an artificial intelligence that gives the best experience. And also for the voice to search engine menu figure, this feature would direct what user want to search through by starting search engine. So blind people also could surf through internet like other people without limitation because all the commands and response are using voice from smartphone. And based on the figure weather information menu, the application could give the information about those outside local weather as well. Even though the user who has blindness could not see it, it's at least they could know what the current weather status by hearing from voice notification. So they could prepare the best outfit to go outside. Moreover, the application could also tell the weather forecast it will have a chance of raining or not. So the user could prepare to bring the umbrella. Furthermore, most of all, the interaction of this application by motion gesture like shaking phone and voice command make more natural interaction between the user and the application. In order to make proper smartphone application, many technology could pair with smartphone feature as well. One of them is sensor in the application. In this way, it could help the application system make feature that could collaborate with a sensor on the smartphone. The sensor is the best thing that it could be inserted in this application, and it is because the sensor is sufficient to give up to date data to user about their health and could interact with the surrounding to improve the use of this application. And this is the conclusion. Disabled people that are all this time are suffering to live their life slowly could feel life again because they time by time there are so many assisting things and devices to help them. The improvement in technology also fulfill what they need and want. Furthermore, there will be more advanced technology to help them. By these changes into a good thing, many people and side feel the extraordinary impact of those technology. Hopefully, people who do not have disability need to encourage and help them, make them enjoy their life. It could come in many ways and many changes because everyone has the right to live and to live a good life. Things can be better, and the mobile application that support disabled people needs to be free of charge to decrease their life problem. Moreover, designing an excellent interface like a simple placement of feature, an excellent interactive application, a clear voice for blind people to navigate the application, and some gesture feature to be implemented. Also, improve exciting feature to be more interactive, fast response, and clearly could help more the user. Embed a new and fresh feature with the future technology will do it. Collaboration with the IoT method try to integrate this with another thing that could implement with the artificial intelligence. Also, we try to add the technology that use thing and combine human, which is the user with the technology itself. The example is like implanting the technology to the user hands, ear, legs, eye, even a place near the brain to send and receive signal between the technology and its user. The technology is implanted near the eyes and interact with the user retina. And if it is possible with the user retina still have a chance of working. So the benefit of that user could go as directly he feel. In this way, make a breakthrough in technology for disabled people, especially who have blindness. Moreover, every data gathered from the user is generated and collected to the server as data for future research purposes and improvement for the technology and healthcare. Okay, this is our presentation for this paper, and See you in another time. Goodbye.